co-founder of Cloud Club Collective. Imagination is undervalued, leading to anxiety and a lack of creative confidence. And that's why we empower people to realize their creative potential with guided daydreaming sessions and techniques to activate the brain's imagination network, increasing well-being and achievement. Far beyond taking brain breaks at school, purposeful daydreaming has enormous benefits for learners, socially, academically, and emotionally. To access our teacher's guide and learn more, visit mycloudclub.org.